What's up, guys? Today figured I'd show you how to use Livesets or patches. So open the Katana app and then click Librarian and then tap on whatever Liveset that you want. For example, if we tap Led Zeppelin and then we tap any of these songs here, it will automatically take a little bit and then you should be able to hear the flanger, and then it's set for that song. If you want to change, just tap a different song. If you want to go back, tap this arrow up here. That'll bring you back here, and then you can go to preset 1 and you can select anything in here you want. Odd thing is, on the computer I can fit 15, but the app only allows me to fit 13 songs per set.